Welcome back once again. I'm going to show you how to protect your website. Some of the security measures that you can put in place on this platform which will help you to protect your website from any kind of attack or your server. Okay, good. Without wasting much time, let's go to the screen. I'm here. Okay, so first thing that you can do here is site lock. Okay, yes, you can lock all your files and folders so that no one can find a way to access your WordPress files and folders. For instance, some hackers can hack your files and folders and they can add any kind of code to your website. Okay, yes, so they can just attack you by accessing your website fast, and I'm going to show you how you can protect that so that no one can access your WordPress website. Okay, so to do that, come back to the top here. You see we have unlock. Okay, or you can just go down here and we have you can go to file manager and you see file system lock. It's the same as this. I can just click here, file system lock here. Okay, so here then it says file unlock, click to lock. I can just click on that. Okay, and it's locked. See, now it's green and my website will still work fine. Okay, based on my experience. .online, I just install WordPress on this domain and it's still working fine. Okay, let me show you something. Let me log out. Good. And if, for instance, if I know this password for this domain and I want to log in, let's see what is going to happen. Let me go down here to software clause. I'm going to change my password overview here. Okay, I don't know my password, so I want to change it from here. Or let's say I want to log in from here. Let me see. Okay, this what do you see? Okay, it didn't work. Okay, yes, it did not work. Let me click that again. So you see, it's supposed to work, but it didn't work. Let me show you how to resolve this issue. I can just go back here to the cPanel and unlock this, and let's see if we'll be okay. So come on. Okay, so I've done that. Close that, and let me come back here and click that, and you see I am on the WordPress dashboard. Though I'm trying to log in from my own dashboard, yet I was not able to do that. What about if you try to use /wp-admin? It won't work at all. Okay, it will not work. Don't try that. Okay, so this is the best security features which we have on this platform that you have to make use of it. Okay, after adding this lock, make sure you test your website if everything is working fine before you leave the platform. If not, you can just unlock it, but you can always lock your website, and this will lock the files and folders. So you see, if I try again, it will not work. Let me do it once more, and you see that it didn't work. Okay, good. So these are one of the best features I recommend for you. If you want to protect your website, then you have to do this. There's another thing that you can also do to protect your website. We have antivirus scan here, antivirus scan, or you can just go down here and you see it here. Click on that. Okay, here, this is what you can do. When you add a file system lock, sometimes you may see this warning, but forget it. It may not affect your website. As I said, always you can check your website if everything is working fine after locking it. So here I can decide to just scan the home page of this platform. Okay, or you can decide to scan your web page or your website it will scan all the domain you have added on this platform. Or you can scan the email or just do a custom scan. If you want to scan this, I can just click here and go ahead and start. Or I can click here to decide which of the domain I want to scan. I can just uncheck all these and scan only this. Or I can select all and scan all the domain. Close that. If I want to scan email, I can click here and decide on which email I want to scan. So which domain, is it this one or that? So you can just decide. This will scan the whole, that is your that's your server, this one, okay, to scan it for you. You can go with this custom one. So there's another script features that I will recommend for you. I will advise you, when you see that things are not going on well on the website, you can scan your website. And let me just show you something. Let's, for instance, I want to scan this domain, only this one. So I will uncheck this and accept that. After that, I'll click scan and it's ongoing. It's doing it on background. I can decide to close the page or close the platform and go back. Later when I come back, I will see all the results. Let's wait and see. Okay, now it's successful. After that, we can see it here. Scan mode, that's the web scan. We can view it. Scan date. Infected files is 0. Let's do infected files. Data read, we can see the number of data in gigabytes. And then we can see the scan dates. Everything. We can just click here to view the details. Okay. Or we can just accept that and close that. Or later we can come to the history and we will see all the scan that we have done on this platform so far. So this is another feature that I recommend for you, which it will help you to protect your website. Make use of it. Now, not